All right, time to change the blades on that. And I'm gonna not take the deck off. It's a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna try something different, and it involves this guy right here and possibly crushing myself to death. I hope that's not even, it's always a possibility. I hope it's not what actually happens, obviously. So time to put some new lawnmower blades on. That's what I'm doing tonight. Got it. Oh, I gotta lower this rope. This thing was unbelievable when I had the deer. So I'm curious to see how it works with here, with this. 4 pulleys. Also, got to chock the wheels. That keeps it from rolling backwards. And take this, slide that through that hole. Oh my word. Ratchet it a couple times and lock it in. Okay, I've got the 2 ratchets hooked. I've got this out of the way. We're going to attempt to lift it. Hopefully it doesn't break the truss. But let's see what happens. If anybody here watching has cleaned a deer, this is insane. I'm lifting the front end of a tractor up. I'm holding it with 2 fingers. And I can take 1 arm and pull this up. I mean, like, this is unreal. I'll try to see if I can put a link to this thing. It's like $30. And it doesn't have the lock on it. Some of them have like a little lever that snaps up. So I do have to tie it off. But this is crazy. Wow. All right, I think that's far enough. I don't want to get too aggressive here because it is a lot of weight getting put on the trusses. Okay, I finally found the socket. Although I don't have a socket. All I've got is a wrench, so I'll just hold the blade. I'm careful to keep my body out of this crash zone, by the way. If you wedge a 2x4 there, oh yeah, there we go. And it can't move. Get that off. Got it. Okay, I got the blades off. I'm breathing heavy because I'm overweight. And I'm gonna drop this thing back down because it is, I just don't like that it's putting all that weight on that truss. I would just leave it if I had the other blades, but I don't because I'm unprepared. And I want to double check where it mounts to the post, the shape of it, so. All right. hold onto this and undo the rope. Seriously, this is absolutely ridiculous how easy it is to hold this thing. And then look, well, maybe I should move my sockets and crap out from underneath it. But you can hold it with 2 fingers and lower it down. I'm telling you, this thing's awesome. Okay, we're down, and I'm gonna leave it there till tomorrow. I'm gonna come back with the correct blades. But, I mean, look at these things. I did sharpen them once, but we're beyond the point of where sharpening is effective anymore when I'm missing chunks like that. But I will show you what the new ones look like so you can see the difference and why this might be a little bit of a problem. Hopefully it'll quit looking like I've got rows of corn going down every stripe in my lawn. I know it will. I got new blades, and I got the ultra high lift blade set. And looking at these ones, I think that's kind of what I had, but as you can see, all of my blades, the old ones, are missing that whole top corner. And I don't know if they all broke off somehow, or if these were just somehow didn't have that chunk there, but I can't imagine they didn't, but anyway, I got the Ultra. I didn't get the, they had some extreme blades, but I just got Ultra, so that's what they are. New, old, new, put it on the tractor. I gotta hoist this thing back up and try not to kill myself. Look, don't do what I do. I wouldn't recommend doing it this way. I don't have a jack. I've got all this stuff and I don't have a jack and some jack stands. That would be the smart, safer option. Or take the deck off. I've shown a video of taking the deck off. You can do it that way too. That's probably the recommended way. Don't get underneath it. Do as I say, not as I do. You know. Put all this junk in the way. Got the new blades on. Beautiful. Let's take it for a spin and spin the blades. See how it works. Watch out! Oh, stupid dog. Move! It's working! It's working!
It's working! It's working!
Hey, if they can't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy, right? Red Green Show. He was onto something, I think. So that's it. Pretty simple, nothing complicated, really. Get the thing off the ground. Honestly, don't do that. Take the deck off like they tell you to. There's a reason they tell you to. That was not very smart. Or if you're gonna lift it up like that and hoist it up in some way, make sure you've got some sort of fail-safe under there in case that were to slip. Pretty stupid of me. I'm not going to do that again. At least not without some blocks under it. I'll probably put some jacks under there next time, and then that won't be an issue at all. Yeah, but I already can tell with those 2 lines, it starts, or it's a clean stripe. I mean, they're new blades, right? And I didn't even sharpen those blades. They're like factory sharp, which is pretty dull. But I haven't quite learned how to sharpen lawnmower blades properly yet. So that's something on my list of things to learn how to do. But now I gotta mow the lawn. And yeah, I know I cut it pretty short, but I've got a dog. And if you do 3.5-inch grass, you can't see where the piles of dog poop are. And then you find them in not ways that you want to find them. So don't even get at me for that. Anyway, if you want to learn how to do some other stuff on your tractor, like this handy little unit here, check out some of my other videos. Hey, if you made it this far, like, subscribe if you're not already. It helps me out a lot. Thanks again.